The mastery of Katsuobushi, the moment umami is born through mold fermentation. As we discussed earlier, mold on Katsuobushi is actually a sign of quality. Today, let's take a closer look at how this mold is carefully applied through the traditional mold fermentation process. Before adding the mold, we begin with Katsuobushi in its initial form, called arabushi. Its surface still contains starch from the smoking process, so artisans carefully shave it off. This step is essential. If any tar remains, the beneficial mold cannot grow properly. It is the first step toward a clean and beautiful fermentation. Next comes the mold itself. A carefully cultivated strain called Euroteam, developed and managed by the Yaiz Katsuobushi Association. This mold is diluted and gently sprayed onto the surface of the Katsuobushi. To ensure even coverage, both sides are sprayed twice. This careful process allows a uniform and elegant layer of mold to develop. After spraying, the Katsuobushi is placed in a special room called the fermentation chamber. The environment is precisely controlled. Temperature around 28 degrees Celsius, humidity 96 to 98%. Here, it rests for about 14 to 21 days. After this period, the first layer of mold called Ichiban-kabi appears. But this is only the beginning. The Katsuobushi is then removed and dry under the sun. After drying, it returns to the fermentation chamber. This cycle, resting and drying, is repeated multiple times. Second mold, third mold. Each layer builds upon the last. The process takes at least 2 months, sometimes up to 3. With time, umami is gradually drawn out from deep within the fish. This process requires precision. Even slight changes in temperature or humidity can affect the final result. Experienced artisans carefully observe the weather, the air, and the environment, making subtle adjustments each day. It is truly a collaboration between nature and human skill, and from this process, the most refined form of Katsuobushi, karabushi, is created. Through time, care, and repeated refinement, Katsuobushi reaches its peak. Deep umami, elegant aroma, excellent preservation, thinly shaved. It's transformed into a beautifully balanced dashi. This is traditional Katsuobushi, crafted by skilled artisans and pivoted through nature itself. Did you discover the secret behind its umami? If you'd like to explore more about Katsuobushi and umami, please consider subscribing. Have a flavorful day.